Declaring string variables. Previously, you used the following code to declare a variable, var my name. But you can declare a string variable like this, var my name. Your name is called the string literal. A string literal or a string is a series of zeros or more characters enclosed in double quotes. Now you may be asking that where is the series of zeros or more characters? So here are all the characters, and if you, in case that you are thinking that space is not a character, that's not true. Space will also be considered as a character, and if you say it all boils down to zeros and ones because that's how our computer operates. So let me create a string variable now. I will say string variable initialization string 1. I have to initialize it first, right? I have to say var string 1, and then I will say my name is first console.log. In general, you need to say my name is Hers, but using a variable, since we are storing it everything, you can see how easy it became to just outputting in one line. My name is Hers. That's done. Now let's move to the next one.